I bought me a candle. It smells so good. It's going along with the blues that I'm starting to put in my house with my browns. And he got a hold of the Fitbit. And I got the Fitbit. I held him the whole time, y'all. Yup. So I got my back workout in. So I got this one. And we'll see what it's like. Let's go ahead, turn my Keurig on. Take this out, of course. I have 2 teas going. I have my lemon ginger tea, and I have my detox tea going in this. So I'm gonna get that started. I'm gonna drink that this morning. I'm tired. I'm still gonna take a little nap. I'm gonna put him, he's tired and everywhere. So I'm gonna put him in his pack and play with his Elmo on, and he's gonna give him a bottle, let him chill out, and he'll lay down. And once I know he's asleep, I'm gonna just go ahead and take a nap. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just make me some breakfast right now. It's 11:26. I like my clocks fast, so reduce that by 15 minutes. I'm gonna make some eggs and some little pan seared little steak. That's what I'm gonna do. My breakfast, you guys. This little pan seared steak, whatever. I cooked it how I thought it should be cooked, and 3 eggs, and my detox tea and lemon ginger tea. Tastes pretty good. I put the honey in it this time. So that's what I'm gonna eat. Then drink some water, give Christian his bottle, and then yeah, and then we'll both take a nap. And then I'll probably just pick up the boys early from their dad. So yeah, this is what I'm just up, you guys. So I'm up and alive. The boys are here. We are up. I'm about to make some shrimp Alfredo from scratch though. So using cream and different cheeses and stuff. I never did it that way. I always use the Alfredo sauce, but I'm kind of over that taste. So I want to try this cream way of making it myself from scratch. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys probably did it from scratch before. So I want to do it that way this time. Got my noodles boiling, but I should have actually thawed out my shrimp first, but it is what it is. So, and then I'm going to use jumbo shrimp. So I need to quickly hurry up and thaw them out. They thaw out quickly. I need to thaw these out so I can clean them. The other side of the shrimp, like I said in my my pandemic haul, my pandemic food step haul. If you haven't seen it already, you guys need to make sure you still are cleaning your shrimp, even though it says peeled, divine, and cleaned. It's not really fully clean. So yeah, check that video out if you have not seen it. The boys are here being reckless and loud.
Sorry.
Yeah. So they just chilling. Pass me Christian bottle, please.
That's Christian right there where I'm pointing.
All right, thank you.
Right here, all the way over there where the red one is.
All right, and if they don't know you, who are you? What's your name?
Caleb.
How old are you? You don't have to say your last name. How old are you? And who are you?
Cameron.
How old are you?
5.
Watch out for your baby brother. And who are you?
Kristen.
Yeah. So they just in here chilling, being boys, running, flipping, acting like they some stunt devils in my house. I was like, you're not outside. She's behind the house somewhere. Oh yeah. I did get my Fitbit. I did set it up. So we'll look at that later. So let me get this shrimp in some water so it could thaw out right quick and I could clean it. And I will see you guys in a little bit. I made my shrimp. I like halfway, probably like 70% cooked them because I need to heat it, cook them. For the rest, I still want to be juicy and plump when we eat. Noodles are done and I made it from scratch, y'all. It tastes so good. I use Italian, I use Parmesan, I use the habanero, the new little Taco Bell brand of crab cheese they have now, the habanero fire, and I use a little bit of Kobe Jack. It tastes so good. And then I season it with Creole season with some parsley in there at the end, onion powder, garlic powder. Oh, supporting breast cancer, cool. Garlic powder, garlic and herbs. All-purpose season, some slap your mama, bow. a little bit of adobo, barely came out, and some black pepper, and I sprinkled a little bit of salt in it. Just like a little bit of salt. Yep. And I use this half and half Publix ran fat. Oh, say fat free. Wow, y'all don't even read. That's even cool. You hear me talking, right? So yeah, this is what we are working with. Yes, you may put some water in the fridge. Alrighty, guys. Mommy, can I put water in the fridge? Sure, Cameron. Whole thing of watermelon. Now I gotta push pause. And Christian wrote that. And clean up. Yay. Y'all, look at me. I'm tired. I ate. I'm full. I laid my little fat self right on down. Woo! I ate that food, y'all. Look. I ate it on time before 8. So besides eating that, I ate 3 eggs and the little like steak that y'all seen, but I didn't eat all of it. I didn't care for it, so I didn't eat all of it. But yeah, Cameron, the 5-year-old's on his second bowl. He liked it a lot. I think Caleb's still eating his bowl. I'm just watching YouTube, some of my favorite YouTubers. So that's how I do. I just basically go and create a whole playlist on my TV, and then it just be running. You know, I be supporting to the fullest. Ain't no click through. I watch the whole thing, which y'all better do the same thing for mine, okay? But yeah, if you haven't already, please like this video, share it if you feel it in your heart and soul, okay? Well, that's about it. I'm just chilling. Let me see the boys. Cameron. Where you going, babe? Let's see if he finished his second bowl. He like to ask for more food and don't actually. Did you finish? Look at him. You like it? You
Yes.
eating it?
Yes.
Okay. Caleb, are you done? Don't wipe your Put your hands all over my stuff.
It's cold. Look at the film.
Well, finish it. You like to just, that one like to just pick protein out of food. He like to just eat only meat, so I bet he picked out the shrimp. Here's the Fitbit, y'all. There you go. The Fitbit, 8:22. So I ate right on time. So that's my last meal of the day. And I'm good. I'm super full though. I think I could have ate less than the plate that I made for myself, but it's alright because I be getting hungry anyway. Oh yeah, I'm about to take my Herbalife cellulose pill for when you eat. I'm about to do that and drink my water for the rest of the day. And then after I let this food digest, then I'll do my workout. So he was asleep. He won't go to sleep. Okay, baby.
Welcome to New York City.
I woke him up to change his diaper. Obviously, he's tired because he ain't staying up. He finna go to sleep. Oh, yeah. It's my big baby. It's my 11-month-old.